Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Face ID issues on iPhone OS 26. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the iPhone settings and go to General Settings as seen from here. After that, you need to scroll all the way down till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone option. You need to click on it. From here, you need to click on Reset. This menu will appear with all of these options. You need to click on Reset All Settings. So this will actually help you on fixing all the issues that updating to the new OS have made. So that includes all the Face ID problems. So if you click on Reset All Settings, that won't delete anything. None of the photos and none of the app's data. It will only reset the settings for the apps and for the iOS, including the Face ID. After you do that, the next thing that you can do is to go back to General Settings again, and after that you need to find the Software Update option. Click on it, and now if you have any update like this one, you need to update because that may fix a lot of the bugs that happened when you updated to iOS 26. So with each version that you update, it may fix a lot of the bugs that you are facing right now. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.